Received a FZZ file from an electronics project or Arduino tutorial? This is a circuit design file from a popular open source hardware design tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, and export these Fritzing electronics project files. To quickly determine if the FZZ file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. FZZ files are electronics project files created by Fritzing, the open source hardware design application for circuit prototyping. They contain breadboard schematic and PCB layout views of electronic circuits with component placements, wiring connections, and custom part definitions, packaged in a compressed archive format. Fritzing FZZ files use a zip compressed archive containing SVG-based visual representations, XML metadata component definitions, and wiring connectivity data. The package stores 3 synchronized views: breadboard schematic and PCB with part library references, routing paths, and board outline dimensions. The FZ's format has primary linkage to the Fritzing application by Fritzing. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows may show the code, but executing it requires the matching scripting tool. To find the correct opener, right-click the FZZ file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Fritzing first. If it's not present, select a different program and keep testing. When a FZZ file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent FZZ problem. First, opening in Fritzing. Download and install Fritzing from fritzing.org and open the FZZ file using File then Open. The application displays the circuit and breadboard schematic and PCB views. Switch between views using the tabs at the top. All component connections, wiring, and layout appear exactly as the creator designed them. Next, exploring circuit views. In Fritzing, click the breadboard tab to see the visual representation of the physical circuit layout. Switch to the Schematic tab for the electrical schematic diagram and the PCB tab for the printed circuit board design. Each view is synchronized, so changes in one view reflect in the others automatically. Finally, exporting for fabrication. Export the PCB design from Fritzing using File, then export for production to generate Gerber files for PCB manufacturing. Export circuit diagrams to PDF, SVG, or PNG for documentation. Fritzing also supports direct ordering of custom PCBs through the Fritzing Fab service integrated into the application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.